Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. Want to give you a quick tip while we're out on the water today. It might save you a trip to the marina, or it might save your day on the water, or even weekend on the water. When you get to your boat, whether it's on the trailer or at the dock, make sure that these two things are in position before trying to start your engine. You have a safety lanyard clip most of the time. Make sure that that is clipped on. Second one is make sure that your shift and throttle control is in neutral. If it's just barely out, you're not going to be able to start your engine. If it's in neutral, your engine will start right up. Those are two things that are quick and easy to check before you get scared that there's something wrong with your engine.